Oh, she is quite excitable. Perhaps the bitch needs some water to cool down.
Pintos, what are you up to? That is my cup. Thank you.
There
But
you
you're
are.
not thank you.
Here I am.
I hope I am not in.
What are you having? Orange
I
juice?
just sent word to the House of Lords.
What are you
to
having?
arrange their visit with Francesca concerning the Kilmartin estate.
That's my
I'll
cup.
attend as well, of course.
That's my cup. Pintos, no.
Audio done in Anthony's absence.
No. Bad boy.
Are you all right?
It's not that you should be worrying about.
We're most fortunate that Sophie.
Okay, you can have it.
Please do not break her heart.
I know. It has been a difficult.
Yes, baby, you can have it. Yes.